Robot Soldier. Introducing the revolutionary concept of robot soldiers, autonomous or remotely controlled robots designed for military applications. These advanced machines can perform a wide range of tasks, from combat and reconnaissance to transport, search and rescue, and bomb disposal. Often categorized into unmanned ground vehicles, UGVs, unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, and unmanned underwater vehicles, UUVs, robot soldiers provide significant advantages such as reducing human casualties, operating in hazardous environments, and making rapid decisions. However, they also raise important ethical concerns and require stringent oversight to ensure compliance with international laws of war. Join us as we explore the cutting-edge technology, capabilities, and implications of these remarkable robotic warriors. Jet suit. Tactical jet suit drills are quite fascinating. These drills are conducted by Gravity Industries and showcase the incredible capabilities of their jet suits. The drills often include donning and doffing, demonstrating how quickly and efficiently the jet suit can be put on and taken off. Speed and agility, showing the suit's ability to navigate various terrains rapidly. Helmet-steered sidearm, using the helmet to control a sidearm, adding a tactical element to the drills. These drills are not just for show. They have practical applications in military and law enforcement scenarios, such as rapid response and maritime interdiction. Eotech OGL. Introducing the Eotech on-gun laser, OGL, a robust, high-performance aiming device crafted for military and law enforcement professionals. Encased in durable all-aluminum housing, this compact laser device is about the size of a deck of cards and is powered by a single CR123 lithium battery, offering up to 9 hours of continuous runtime. Featuring a high-performing vertical cavity surface-emitting laser, VCSEL, diode, the IR illuminator provides quick adjustments from spot to flood. Its ergonomic design includes an easy-to-use lever for adjustments under pressure, while both the IR and visible lasers are optically aligned to simplify the zeroing process. Please note, the Eotech OGL is available exclusively for military and law enforcement use. VSR-700 Anti-Submarine Warfare. The VSR-700 is an advanced vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) unmanned aerial vehicle (UAV) developed by Airbus Helicopters, specifically designed for anti-submarine warfare (ASW). Equipped with state-of-the-art sensors, sonobuoys, and a high-performance Dieta Searanger 200 radar, the VSR-700 enhances maritime defense capabilities by detecting and tracking submarines with exceptional precision. Its compact size and low noise signature make it ideal for covert operations, while its ability to operate alongside other naval assets ensures comprehensive coverage and improved mission success. The VSR-700 is set to become a crucial asset for modern navies, providing a formidable deterrent against underwater threats. Rainmetal Keeler. The Rainmetal Keeler Next Generation, NG, is a highly advanced, armored breaching vehicle designed to tackle challenging battlefield obstacles. Based on the Leopard 2 chassis, the Keeler NG combines a mine plow and a rocket-assisted detonation cord system to rapidly clear minefields and anti-tank barriers. Its integrated lane marking system ensures safe passage for following forces, even in low visibility conditions. Equipped with active and passive protection measures, the Keeler NG also features a remotely controlled weapon station and a rapid obscurance system for self-defense. With impressive mobility and versatility, the Keeler NG is a game-changer in modern military operations. SARBot. The SARBot is a versatile search and recovery robotic system designed for underwater operations in low-visibility conditions. Developed by BlueLink, LLC, the SARBot is optimized for tasks such as locating and retrieving objects or victims underwater, making it an invaluable tool for public safety dive teams and first responders. Equipped with features like vector thrusters, multi-beam imaging sonar, and an interlocking gripper, the SARBot ensures efficient and safe recovery operations even in challenging environments. AH-64. The AH-64 Apache is a highly advanced, twin-turboshaft attack helicopter developed by Boeing. It's renowned for its combat-proven capabilities and has been in service since 1984. The Apache is equipped with a 30mm M230 chain gun, AGM-114 Hellfire missiles, and Hydra 70 rocket pods, making it a formidable force on the battlefield. It's used by the U.S. Army and several other nations, including Israel, Greece, and the United Kingdom. The latest variant, the AH-64E Apache Guardian, features enhanced sensors, improved avionics, and a modular open systems architecture, ensuring it remains a key asset in modern military operations. Leonardo Brightstorm. Welcome to another episode of Brightstorm. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of military technology with Leonardo's revolutionary Brightstorm stand-in jammer. This cutting-edge payload is designed to be integrated onto drones and other platforms, providing powerful jamming and deception capabilities against sophisticated enemy air defenses. By deploying advanced digital radio frequency memory, DRFM, technology, Brightstorm can create multiple ghost targets, confuse enemy radar systems, and protect friendly forces during complex operations. Join us as we explore how this innovative technology is changing the landscape of electronic warfare and ensuring mission success for military forces around the globe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible stories and insights. DJI Matt Rice. The DJI Matt Rice 4 series is a cutting-edge enterprise drone series designed for intelligent aerial operations. Featuring advanced multi-sensor technology, including smart detection, laser rangefinders, and AI-powered capabilities, the Matt Rice 4 series is revolutionizing industries such as emergency response, public safety, surveying, and construction. With enhanced sensing capabilities and improved flight safety, these drones are setting new standards for precision and reliability in complex scenarios. The series includes the Matt Rice 4T, suitable for a wide range of industries, and the Matt Rice 4E, designed for geospatial applications. Chaser 980. The Oxum Marine Armored Chaser 980 is a versatile and robust special-purpose boat designed for multi-mission capabilities. Built with high-density polyethylene, HDPE, and ballistic steel, it offers exceptional durability and impact resistance. The Chaser 980 is equipped with advanced navigation systems, powerful engines, and can reach speeds up to 45 knots. It's designed for search and rescue, maritime security, special operations, and anti-piracy missions. With customizable configurations, including turret and gun ports, it ensures optimal performance in various challenging environments. B-21 Raider. The B-21 Raider is a next-generation stealth bomber developed by Northrop Grumman for the United States Air Force. Part of the Long Range Strike Bomber (LRSB) program, the B-21 is designed to deliver both conventional and nuclear munitions with unparalleled precision. Named in honor of the Doolittle Raiders of World War II, the B-21 Raider is set to replace older bombers like the B-1 Lancer and B-2 Spirit by 2040. With its advanced stealth capabilities, the B-21 can penetrate the toughest defenses and deliver precision strikes anywhere in the world. The first flight of the B-21 Raider took place on November 10, 2023, marking a significant milestone in its development. HIMARS. The HIMARS, High Mobility Artillery Rocket System, is a highly mobile, precision rocket launcher developed by Lockheed Martin. Mounted on a standard U.S. Army family of medium tactical vehicles, FMTV, truck, HIMARS can carry 6 guided multiple launch rocket system, GMLRS, rockets or 1 Army tactical missile system, ATACMS, missile. It offers rapid deployment and high mobility, making it a versatile and effective tool for engaging various targets, including artillery, air defense concentrations, and light armor. With an operational range of up to 480 kilometers and a maximum road speed of 85 kilometers per hour, HIMARS provides critical support to ground forces in diverse combat scenarios. Jackal Strike Missile. The Jackal Strike Missile is a next-generation precision strike missile developed by Northrop Grumman in collaboration with AeroVironment. This turbojet-powered missile is designed for versatility and speed, capable of reaching over 600 kilometers per hour, 373 miles per hour, and loitering for up to 15 minutes. With a range of 100 kilometers, 62 miles, and a payload capacity of 10 pounds, 4.5 kilograms, the Jackal can carry both lethal and non-lethal payloads. It features advanced avionics, automated target detection, and can operate in GPS-denied environments, making it an ideal solution for dynamic combat scenarios. AFRL Mutant. Introducing the AFRL Mutant, Missile Utility Transformation via Articulated Nose Technology, a groundbreaking program by the Air Force Research Laboratory aimed at significantly enhancing missile range and lethality against highly maneuverable targets. The Mutant system employs an innovative active morphing technique, utilizing high-rate pivoting of the missile forebody, known as articulation, to improve flight control. This is achieved through an Articulation Control Actuation System, ACAS, which features a composite high-strain skin structure and an internal electromagnetic actuation system. With extensive research and development, AFRL has successfully designed, fabricated, and tested this technology, demonstrating its potential to augment missile performance in both air and surface-launched applications. Light Beam. The Light Beam Laser System by Rafael Advanced Defense Systems, a cutting-edge, mobile 10 kW class high-energy laser weapon system, HELWS, designed to neutralize low-altitude aerial threats. Ideal for mounting on light vehicles and various armored fighting vehicles, Light Beam offers rapid, precise defense against drones and small UAVs. Its high-energy laser focuses intense heat on targets, causing critical system failure. Cost-effective and versatile, Light Beam provides unparalleled protection for ground forces and critical infrastructure, ensuring safety in both open and urban environments. Griffith VTO. The Griffith VTO was an ambitious concept for a supersonic vertical takeoff and landing (VTO) airliner developed by Rolls-Royce in the 1950s. This innovative design featured an impressive array of 68 jet engines, including 12 main propulsion engines and 56 lift jets, enabling it to take off and land vertically. The Griffith VTO was envisioned to carry 44 passengers between New York and London in just over 2 hours, offering unprecedented speed and convenience. Although it never reached production, the concept remains a testament to the innovative spirit of aviation engineering during the Cold War era. Roadrunner M. Introducing the Roadrunner M missile, a cutting-edge marvel in air defense technology developed by Endural Industries. With its high-explosive interceptor capabilities, the Roadrunner M is designed to rapidly identify, intercept, and neutralize a wide range of aerial threats. What truly sets this missile apart is its vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) capability, allowing for reuse at near zero cost. Ideal for countering drones and other aerial targets, the Roadrunner M missile promises unparalleled precision and efficiency in modern warfare. Join us as we delve into the innovations and impact of this extraordinary defense solution. Hisar A+. The Hisar A+ is an advanced short-range air defense missile system developed by Turkish defense companies Aselsan and Roketsan. It's designed to protect both stationary and moving assets from a variety of aerial threats, including fighter aircraft, helicopters, and UAVs. With a range of 15 kilometers and an altitude of 8 kilometers, the Hisar A+ can engage up to 6 targets simultaneously. This autonomous system ensures robust defense capabilities with its state-of-the-art technology and open hardware/software architecture, making it a versatile and effective solution for modern air defense.